The effects of climate change seem to be accelerating at an exponential rate. Plans aiming at solving some portion of the problem in 50 years, or like over the next 100 years, are possibly fatally too slow. In order to fully decarbonize the grid and then remove all of the excess CO2 that's been released, we probably have to achieve that in about 30 years. And even that's kind of a dangerously long time frame. In order to have like 10 or 20 years of forest maturity, it means we have to do all the outplanting in 10 years.
If the goal is to plant 1 trillion trees, then we need 2 trillion seeds. So first we go out into the field. Once we have the seed, we bring them back here to either the nursery or the seed bank. We'll process the seed, clean them up, get them ready to dry. This is going to allow people to store the seeds for future restoration sites. So we bank some seeds and we plant some seeds, so we'll bring them here into the nursery. The greenhouses are exactly what you see here. It's the same greenhouse that are going to be shipped all over the world. So it just gives people the tools to grow the plants. We know it can be done here, we're doing it successfully, and they can do it too.
We pick up the plants in the nursery that are pre-selected for that planting day. Each tree gets a little irrigation line and gets watered every second day for a little bit to help it in the beginning.
Give them a nice little bit of soil, fertilizer. We're using diatomaceous earth to keep bugs from climbing on them.
After the planting, we go through and take the geolocation of each point, and that information gets stored in the geodatabase for the Geographic Information System.
Eventually, once they're all established, they'll support each other. They'll cool this area, which will help the rain and the moisture stay here. And so we can turn this desert into a forest again. There's a lot involved that needs to happen to be able to get these trees into the ground, and it's a lot of work, but it's all worth it.
It feels good to be doing the work, to be putting these practices in place and to be moving forward.